Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. This is Grammar Chipper Chat. Target 16 grammatical structures while your students go on a wild Chipper Chat safari. Start by adding a student and choosing from 60 animal game boards. Use the letters on top of the scroll bar to quickly find your favorite animal. Then select a topic to target during the game. Add students as needed and click Next when you are finished. Let's look at the menu option titled Pick Card. Select Pick Card to be able to choose a specific card for personalized instruction. Multiple cards will appear on the screen. Select a card to be presented to the student. Click Choose Card if you would like to present another card within the same turn. Click the X to continue gameplay. If you did not select Pick Card, a random card within the student's assigned category will appear on the screen. Click Card to have another card presented, or click the X to continue. Spin the spinner, collect the chips, and watch them disappear on the magic wand. The first player to fill their board, or has the most chips at the end of the session, wins. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.